Okay, I'll be showing you what a thermistor looks like on the logic board. Okay, if you are looking very well on this logic board, you will discover this white components that are close to the battery terminal. That is a thermistor. They are always found maybe white and or black. Okay, so this one close to this battery terminal also is also the thermistor. So most time the thermistor is found close to battery terminal. Okay, and the work of a thermistor is a resistor. Okay, it works as a resistor. That is a resistor, but the difference between a regular resistor and a thermistor is that a thermistor is a temperature sensor resistor. It only works when it senses temperatures. Okay, so most time when you see your phone popping errors like phone temperature too low, phone will still go off, or the phone temperature too high, it will still go off, or when you are trying to charge it, it's showing you some error sign at the charging this thing. That is to say the thermistor either the thermistor is faulty, or the connection, there's an open circuit between the battery terminal and the thermistor, that is they are not properly connected. Okay, sometimes if most time the thermistor is close to the battery terminal, while sometimes you can find it inside this, sometimes you may find it inside the power section, that is this side. Okay, so that is for thermistor.